Okay, guys, yesterday I actually analyzed this asset during one of my videos, and of course, I told you that this asset actually got a rejection at the spot, so this led to this downtrend, but it went back up to see if it will break out from there, and it got another rejection right from there. So I knew it was going to sell at least to this very moment, even if it's still going to go back up. Okay, but as you can see, we had our entry point right here. We had our stop loss at this rejected area. Okay, so we had some TPs highlighted for us. The first one at this spot, the second one around there, and the third one around there. And I'm going to explain in clear terms why I did this setup this way. Okay, and you too will learn how you can generate profitable trading signals like this using the same strategy. So sit tight and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now so that you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So this is very, very important. So let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, this is Ganex 1200 and we are on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this has actually been selling for a very long time and it got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So it tried to go back on uptrend. So it got stopped at this point where it was rejected. So, and of course, I was expecting it to break out above this, but at this spot, it was also rejected again, the same spot it was rejected around there. So with this gave me an assurance that this is going to sell more. Okay, so that is why I had to come in and I was like, okay, we should be targeting this region first, then if it breaks out from there, then we should target somewhere here. Okay, so just the way we are seeing, you are seeing it right now. Okay, we had our entry point at this spot, and of course the stop loss right here, and we had our TP1 around there, TP2 around there, and right here is TP3. And as you can see, it is heading towards TP3, and TP4 is also there, which happen to be this region. It is the support base totally. Okay, that is if it breaks out away from here. Okay, because actually in the real sense, if you go back to H1, if you go back to H1, this is actually preparing for, I mean, it was preparing for an uptrend. If you should notice, some days back, okay, we started trading this on downtrend right from here, and it got to this support zone. So I see this as a pullback, and this is coming down again. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. That is why I put the last TP here. Okay, so if it breaks out below this, then definitely, guys, definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will go back and it will go on full uptrend at that particular point. But for now, it is still selling. Let's see if this strategy still works on other assets. Just like you guys have known, we have been trading so many assets within the past few days now. And of course, these are the setup which we actually had last week. Okay, this is Ganex 999. Again, X999 actually got to this support zone and it gave us an uptrend signal. We started trading this signal last week, even though all our TPs have been achieved. So we are actually waiting for a new direction. Okay, so it got activated at this spot. We had this spot as our stop loss because this is going to be a long trading opportunity. And as you can see, entry points at this spot, first TP achieved on 1 hour time frame. This is so huge, guys. This is so huge. You might not really understand how huge this is until you measure the amount of profits you are able to make from the first TP alone. Okay, from this TP alone, this is giving us 700 and, I mean, 78,198 points. That's so huge. Okay, then the second TP also got achieved. The third TP also got achieved this morning. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. And as you can see, it is still buying. It is still buying, even though it is at the resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out above it, then it will buy more. Okay, so that is it. That is the power of trend trading strategy. We can see once we get it right at this spot, we can be in the market for a very long time. This particular trade actually lasted, let me see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 days. Okay, you can imagine you being in huge profit for 8 days back to back. Okay, so this is so amazing. Now let's check out other assets. This is Paynex 1200. We also took advantage of this when it got to this resistance zone, had our entry point at this point, and of course our stop loss right there at the resistance zone, TP123. So you can see, and after that third TP, we were still able to achieve the last TP, which is at this spot. Okay, so this is so amazing. We got to this region this morning, so we're trying to see if this can go into a full uptrend. So we are waiting for that. If it is going to go on full uptrend, then we are most likely to milk it to the top again. Okay, so that is what we are waiting for right now. Then this is Paynex 999, which is another asset which we should look into. Okay, and of course, this particular asset we actually milked it when it got to this resistance zone. We had our entry point somewhere here and we milked it down to this region. But right now, I am actually preparing it for an uptrend because this downtrend we traded it for a very long time. Okay, so I'm getting prepared for an uptrend. That is if it does not break out below this support zone. Okay, this will be the setup if it is going to go on uptrend. Okay, we are still waiting for this. This will be the setup if it's going to go for an uptrend. But for now, if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then we should enjoy this uptrend. Entry point, stop loss, then TP1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth TP is at this spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is how you can use this strategy to milk the market for a very long time, most especially on 1 hour time frame. It is still the same trend trading strategy, just that on 1 hour time frame you can get it at the beginning for a very long time. Okay, and you can have more assurance with it if you come in at the right time. Okay, there will be pullbacks in between. Sometimes it can even lead to major pullbacks, but once you are in profit, then you might not, I mean, the pullback might not really affect you. Okay, it will only reduce out of your profit, and by the time the pullback is over, then you will continue with the profits which you are making, and you can go like that for days. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I will always advise you to learn this strategy very well. Practice with it on your demo account so that you can get it right before you can start using it on your real account. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly give me a follow right now. Kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.